Living cube. Modern designers offer a wide variety of ways to furnish your living space. The most notable of them are those that look attractive and use the entire space very effectively at the same time. For example, the living cube. There are all kinds of drawers and shelves on the side. Here you can place books, music records, a player, a TV, and even some clothes. At the end of the living cube there is a ladder too. There's also a door that lets you inside the structure. This small room in this case is used as a storage room. The manufacturer claims that the design is variable, so that inside the living cube there may be a dressing room or a bathroom. Finally, we'll tell you about the upper surface of the structure. Here you can arrange a lounge area or place something, or as shown in the video, arrange a place to sleep. Parisot Space Up. The first space-saving solution we've shown today will only fit in a large, high-ceilinged room. The bed from the French company Parisot is much more modest in size. However, it can also give its owner a lot of storage space. First of all, pay attention to the sides of the bed. They are equipped with shelves. Thanks to the optimal size, books, care products, and much more will fit inside. However, a lot of beds have a similar design. The Space Up model from Parisot has a unique feature that makes it different from the competitors' models. The mattress tilts back, and under it there's 2.3 cubic meters of space for storage. The space is equipped with drawers. It's even possible to store large-size objects, such as suitcases and sports equipment. It's noteworthy that the hinged mechanism has been carefully designed. Thanks to this, when the bed is open, there's enough space inside for a person to enter. Thus, Space Up is 3 pieces of furniture in one: a bed, a night table, and a closet. Slumber shelves. People who live in small one-room apartments often face a catastrophic lack of free space. Singaporean company Spaceman offers a solution to the problem. This is a unit that combines 2 pieces of furniture, indispensable for any modern home. It's a TV unit, which in a few seconds with a simple movement transforms into a double bed. Notice that there are quite fragile items on the shelves, such as vases and glasses. They are not in danger though. Although the unit's equipped with a rotating part, all shelves designed to store things don't change their position in space. Thanks to this, even if the contents are expensive, you don't have to worry about them. When you buy this bed, you can stop thinking about zoning the space, or the fact that a one-room apartment can't accommodate both a living room and a bedroom. Carly Duo Sofa. This is a sofa transformer from Resource Furniture. When folded, it's no different from any 2-seater sofa. However, if desired, the construction can take the form of a bunk bed. What looks like part of the wall is actually another folding bed. Please note that it's equipped with soft edges to protect the person sleeping on it. The topmost part of the structure is a shelf. Smart kitchen. The place where people spend most of their time at home should be as comfortable and functional as possible. We are talking, of course, about the kitchen. Here is an amazing set created by specialists from the Italian company Filigrano already. Literally every meter of this space has a huge number of advantages and features. Use the remote control to open the drawers. The corners, the most useless space in terms of space organization, are fully exploited. The outer panels can be removed, which makes cleaning much easier. The refrigerator drawers look just like any other. They are right under the worktop so that food can be taken out and put away faster. The drawers have already integrated separators, making it easy to organize kitchen appliances too. The design is modern and technologically advanced, so there are places for wireless charging as well. Smart living. At first glance, it may seem that the design of this furniture from Ozio Design is similar to the design that we've already shown you. The area where the TV is located has been improved to perform 2 functions instead of 1. But Smart Living allows you to use the extra space in a different way. This furniture is designed for homes that have enough space for a separate bedroom, but not enough for a full dining room. The panel to which the TV is attached can be moved. Behind it, there are hooks with folding chairs hanging onto them. In the lower part of the construction, there's a folding table hidden. In a matter of seconds, the room transforms completely. Here it is, ready to receive guests or for a nice family dinner. Of course, you can also put something else on the shelves. For example, things that you can't put anywhere else. Breaking the box. All the furniture that you see on the screen was created by a designer and artist from Chile, named Sebastián Errázuriz. From the end of January to the beginning of March this year, it was shown as an exhibition in New York called Breaking the Box. These are sculptures rather than furniture, thanks to the ingenious way that they were created. What looks like decoration for a room is actually a functional locker for storing small items. The giant, at first glance, cabinet in its folded state practically doesn't take up any space. At the same time, thanks to a well thought out design, it fits as many as 10 drawers. And this piece of furniture would fit perfectly into a narrow room where there is no way to move the drawers. The components of the cabinet are attached one to the other. It opens when the person performs a rotational movement. Finally, pay attention to this construction, which is a decorative element, but at the same time serves as a shelf. Ori Pocket Closet. Perhaps every modern person dreams of having their own dressing room. Unfortunately, very often you have to give up on your dreams. There's simply no extra room, or the bedroom fits only a bed and a standard wardrobe. Ori Living is a company engaged in the development of transforming furniture. In November last year, its specialist showed a fundamentally new design. It will allow to arrange a dressing room in almost any standard bedroom. In the folded state, the Ori Pocket Closet does not occupy much space. The sides equipped with shelves. One of them is big enough to fit a whole painting or a TV set. The other unfolds, turning it into a compact but functional desk. If you press the button, the parts of the construction start to move apart. Inside, there are shelves and cabinets in which clothes and shoes are stored. Also, the design can be operated using a mobile application or a smart speaker. Ori Pocket Closet can serve as a mini library too, a storage room, as well as a place to store documents in the office.